They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone.
Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a simple baby corn manchurian that is 100% easy and 100% vegetarian. So in the beginning of the video itself I'll show you what are all the ingredients you need. So now I'll be cutting this baby corn according to my wish. Now guys, please be very careful with the knife, it's very sharp and it can cut your fingers. Make sure you take a supervision of your parents. As I said, you can make sure you first cut off the tip and the top. Now I'm cutting according to the lengthwise, you can cut however you want. After chopping out baby corn manchurian, now I'll be cutting some spring onions. After that, make sure we have to boil the baby corn manchurian in the water and add some salt while boiling that. Cut some chilies and onions according to your taste and the number of persons you are serving. Now it's time to add some flour. You can use maida, corn flour or rice flour. Now I'm using rice flour. I have added about 2 tablespoons of rice flour to this. You have to make sure to mix well and the powder should not remain powdery on top of the corn. After mixing that, now you have to add some red chili powder to give it a red tint. After that, make sure boil some oil and start frying that. On the other hand, please shallow fry some onions and add tomato paste, spring onions and Ching's green chili sauce and some soya sauce according to your taste. You can add some chili sauce to that. Now adding some rice flour mixed with water to make the dough consistent. Next, fry some pepper, powder it and sprinkle on the top of the dough. So this is how my final dough looks like. Now I add the baked corn to this and it's ready to serve.